Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So we're continuing with our video series, the قدم به قدم با الفبای فارسی, our step-by-step with the Farsi alphabet. And this time we're gonna look at the letter Nun. This is Nun. So the letter Nun is almost similar in English if you want to think of it as the letter N, but we call it Nun. It is the 29مین حرف فارسی. 29مین حرف فارسی, which means it is the 29th letter of the Farsi alphabet. We may kind of jump around between the letters, but that's because it will help to make it easier with the learning with the words that we're going to use. We're kind of making it in an easy way that you're not overwhelmed by like so many big words or like different like difficult to understand words. So we're just trying to keep, this is our way of trying to keep it simple. So the letter Nun, it comes in two forms, like I said, with most of the Farsi alphabet. There is this form right here, and there's this form right here. This first form usually comes again in the beginning or the middle of the word. And then this last form usually comes at the end of the word, and it could come either separately by itself or sometimes it can be attached. So for example, as you can see here, it is attached. This is an N, and it's attached to this nohomin. You can see it's attached. But let's take a look at some more examples. And in this one, we have non. So we've highlighted in red for you, non. You can see that this is the small form and this is the bigger form. Non, which means bread. Baba, non. Baba, non, which means dad, bread. So here you can see again the N that's attached and then the N that's separate. But do you remember these words from the previous lessons? The be and the a? So this is why we're kind of jumping around between the letters, because we're just adding one letter and we can make some sentences with what you've already learned before. This way it'll be easier for you to learn. But now for those who maybe already know some of the letters, these are just some extra words for you to practice on. Zaban, zaban, which means tongue. Then we have ahan, ahan, which means iron. Notice how the N is attached here, but the N is not attached here. Baran, baran, which means rain. And a few more words. Nimkat, nimkat, which means bench. Namak, namak, which means salt. And lastly, nahang, nahang, which means whale. And that's pretty much it for our lesson on Nun. So make sure that you read up on all the previous lessons, because our next lesson will then cover the letter be, a, and nun. So we're going to be having be, a, nun, and we're going to add in some more words to that one. So yeah, good luck studying and see you in the next video.